Good morning, everybody, and welcome again to the Figment Creative Expression 6-minute writing prompt. Today I asked you all to have, it's a little bit of homework from yesterday if you watched yesterday's session. I asked you all to have a little bit of, sorry, that is really going to annoy me. New hair, new do, bit of a rush this morning. Anyway, right. Enough vanity. Yesterday I asked you to have a childhood photo ready to go for today with a little bit of a memory for you. So this is my memory for you guys. This is me on the beach in Banff in August 1982. Look at that wee pudge. Cute. And that is my little dog, Misty, as well. She was a little poodle, just a ball of fluff there. And I'm assuming this is my dad here. So that's my childhood photo and childhood memory. For those of you that don't have a photo looked out and ready for you today, then your prompt for today is childhood memory for day 11. And a little tip for you today. I don't usually like to give you too much direction in your 6-minute writing, but what I'm going to suggest that you do, and that we could all do with focusing a bit more on our senses, our 5 senses. So have a think when you're considering your childhood memory that you've selected. If you're having trouble thinking up a childhood memory, think of one on a beach. Focus on, your tip for today is to focus as much as possible, I was going to say exclusively, but as much as possible on your senses. So think about what you could see, hear, touch, taste and smell within that memory. Sink yourself really deep into that memory for your 6 minutes. Okay, so your 6 minutes, I will time that for you. On your childhood memory starts now. Okay guys, that is your 6 minutes about up. If you want to keep writing, then by all means, of course, keep it going. And feel free to share where your memories took you. For me, I definitely focused a lot on the senses. Food, of course, as usual, and also that feeling of sunburn on the tops of your thighs and peeling your shorts off and wincing and peeling your shorts off over that chafe of sunburn. Very sensory. So that was some lovely holidays to think about while we are stuck in the house at the moment. So that's day 11. Feel free to join me anytime tomorrow to either watch live at 8:30 or anytime tomorrow to watch the videos at your own convenience. Thanks again for joining us here today, and all the best and have a lovely day. Happy writing. Thank you for joining us. Bye just now.